Hello everyone, I am Ayush. I am here to talk to you about a water species, seaweed. Why they are continuously in the news. Why seaweed is very essential for the marine ecosystem. Let's begin.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Seaweeds, as the name suggests, that it grows in water. It is basically a multicellular marine algae. The modern study of marine and freshwater algae is called phycology or algology. The smallest seaweeds are only few millimeters or centimeters, while the largest seaweeds are of 30 to 50 meters. Seaweeds are classified into three major groups: brown algae or phaeophyta, second green algae chlorophyta, third red algae or rhodophyta. These brown algae can be used in human food. They are also used in lithium-ion batteries. Polysaccharide is a major component of brown algae, which is not found in plants grow on land. Polysaccharides are long chain of carbohydrates which produces sugar when react with water in the presence of amylase enzymes. Green algae have chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll that gives them bright green color. Green algae are used as model organisms. Model organisms are non-human species that are used to study a biological phenomena. Red algae are abundant in marine habitats, but they are present in very less quantity in fresh water. Red algae have been used as food and medicines from a long time in the history. Traditionally, people eat red algae in salads, soups, and meals. It is estimated that 1800 different brown algae, 6200 red algae, and 1800 green algae are found in the marine ecosystem. Seaweeds play a major role in marine ecosystem. The different types of seaweeds provide habitats for marine life forms and protect them from threats. Large seaweeds form dense underwater forests known as kelp forests. They act as underwater nurseries for fish, snails, and water habitats. Seaweeds absorbs the excess nutrients that are toxic for the marine life and balances the ecosystem. Seaweeds plays a major role in the climate change. Planting 9% of the ocean with seaweed, it is possible to reduce 53 billion tons of CO2 annually. Seaweeds can be used as fertilizers and to increase sea production. An Indian startup company, Jara Biotech, has recently got a $10 million investment from a UAE firm. Najib bin Hanif is the founder and CEO of Jara Biotech. Najib bin Hanif completed his BTech in biotechnology from Sahrudaya College of Engineering, and he is pursuing MTech in nanotechnology from Amal Jyoti College of Engineering. Jara Biotech is a biotechnology startup company established in 2016. It focuses on research in energy and food crisis using microalgae or seaweeds. The company is manufacturing first algae seaweed food products in India. Jara Biotech startup was presented at the international conference under the Kerala Startup Mission. Kerala Startup Mission was founded in 2006. Its headquarters is located in Thiruvananthapuram. Thank you. I hope you like the video.